It was a rainy Saturday morning on April 10, and many would prefer to snuggle a little bit longer in bed. But more than 500 readers of The Age Malaysia made their way to the Sime Darby Convention Centre in Bukit Kiara, Kuala Lumpur for The Age Investment Forum on Real Estate 2010. The annual Forum on Real Estate is organised by The Age Malaysia Business Weekly and presented by financial group UOB Malaysia exclusively for The Age readers. The forum's theme this year was To Buy or Not to Buy, Where to Put Your Money. It began with a welcome speech by The Age Editor-in-Chief, Ho Kay Tat, who introduced the real estate industry experts who will speak that morning. The first speaker was CB Richard Ellis Malaysia Sdn Bhd Managing Director Alan Su, who told participants that this year is a good time to invest in Klang Valley residential properties as the market will be driven by supply rather than demand. He also gave an overview of the residential property market in the Klang Valley and the incoming supply of homes and condominiums. The next speaker, Ho Chin Soon, Director of Ho Chin Soon Research Sdn Bhd, spoke on value creation in property investments. He pointed out that accessibility and amenities are two factors for value creation in a property development as seen in locations such as Mutiara Damansara and Desa Park City, both in the Klang Valley, which have seen steep capital appreciation. The forum also included a panel discussion with developer Bukit Kiara Properties Sdn Bhd Group Managing Director N.K. Tong, Hall and Chadwick Asia Sdn Bhd Chairman Kumar Thamalingam, and ECM Libra Capital Sdn Bhd Head of Research Bernard Cheng, sharing their views about investing in property, REITs or property stocks. Tong cautioned that investors in physical property must have a long-term view when it comes to investing in property, while Cheng advised investors in property stocks to look at the fundamentals of the development company rather than its stock price. Kumar, who spoke on Malaysian Real Estate Investment Trust, said the strengthening ringgit and rising inflation is prompting anticipation that Malaysian REITs unit prices will trade higher and closer to their net asset values in the next 6 months. Participants also had the opportunity to visit the booths of UOB Malaysia, Ho Chin Soon Research, and developers Sunway City Berhad and The Haven Sdn Bhd showcasing their latest projects. More reports on the forum could be found at www.theageproperty.com, while the full coverage will be in the April 19th issue of City & Country in The Age Malaysia Weekly.